What's up, friends? Down in the basement planting some seeds. Got a little seed challenge for you. Can anybody tell which seeds are which? Two of them are going to be the same, and each other one's going to be different. The ones that are the same are planted right next to each other. I think that's the easy one. Right here, these two are the same. I'll take you back, go row number 1. Row number 2. Row number 3, might recognize them ones. Row number 4, tough to see. And row number 5, I think some people will recognize that. Little hint, we can eat in the row number 5 as microgreens if we have them too heavily planted. And the same with row number 2 as well. Alright, I'll let you guys ponder that for a second. Show you what we got working over here. Peppers are coming up nice and happy. We transplanted them over probably about 2 weeks ago. So they're definitely like being in these cups. They might want another transplant before we can get them out within a month. It's going to be close. We definitely don't want them to get root bound. So we're trying to avoid that. Got the marigolds. Cheer everybody up in these times. It's kind of nice having some flowers growing in the basement for real. I don't mind peeking at some awesome looking colors like that every once in a while. Check that baby out. That's just too cool. But yeah, lots of peppers going. We're working on a spot outside for them. These ones we need to get transplanted up, so maybe we can do that today. Because as you've seen, we've been getting down here doing some dirty work. Getting our seeds in the ground. We used a mix of Happy Frog soil and what was available. That was 707 Roots Organic. Got our 400 watt light set up. We like to keep a fan going on these plants as well. So we got 400 watt light and a nice one over here, Tech 2, for starting these seedlings. It's not quite as strong, but definitely gives them a little bit of light. So back to our game over here. Oh, I just gave you guys a hint. Alright, let's go. Let's show you. You can see them ones? Sunflower, tomato. Well, let's start on the bottom, kind of how I took you through. Got the Arkansas Traveler tomato, medium size. Spinach. New Zealand spinach, to be exact. Tom Thumb pea. These stay real short. I thought these sounded kind of interesting. Hopefully short and manageable and easy to grow. Sweetie cherry tomatoes, they need to be staked up, I imagine. And then we're going to stake them up with the sunflowers, hopefully, if everything goes right. So we got an equal amount of them growing. Probably get some more going, more of each of them going, actually, to be honest with you. But yeah, if anybody's needing something to do, this will keep you busy. It's kind of nice. Get down, get your hands dirty, nice and relaxing. It's always nice to have your marigolds growing next to your work area. And this should turn into an awful lot of food. And if anybody needs some help around this area, you can stop out front. Or even I could probably drop them off to you too at a safe place. Maybe get you some free veggies this year if you're in a hard spot. So I'm going to go ahead and finish topping this off with our soil here. And water them in right away. We don't want them to get dried out. We're going to keep them damp, especially the first couple days. But then we don't need to overdo it. We don't want to rot our stuff out. We don't want to rot our roots out especially. But yeah, we'll have lots of stuff going real soon here. April 25th in my area in Michigan, central Michigan, Shiawassee County area, is usually the soonest possible date you can get stuff out. But it depends, some of your cold weather stuff like that spinach and them peas might be able to take a little bit. And May 25th is your average latest frost date. April 25th is your average last frost. May 25th is your latest average frost date. So right anywhere in that area, especially April 25th, like I said, on your cold weather stuff. These tomatoes and these peppers do not really like the cold, so we're going to let them go as long as we can down here in this nice cozy condition for them. This light keeps some good heat on them. So yeah, get your cold weather stuff out real soon here. As soon as you can work the dirt and the frost danger's gone, and get it in the ground, get that cold weather stuff going, and get your warm weather stuff going in the basement. 'Tis the season. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one.